Don't be a next Nanado family. Don't be Dankwa family. Some family no. Oforiata family no. Don't be that family.
Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so. What friend me adwoa searching. Woman your that screen is see. What friend Mary ewusi oye NDC ni. Okasa ni minim as a member 50 omo ka omo abo. Ni minim dudududududu. Na ni tia kakra. Mam no ken kwasa sempa za mami otiwe.
On Ghana for you now. Watch out for Samira Bawumia. She's a very dangerous woman. Dangerous woman. I'm telling you this. Samira Bawumia, we should watch out for her. She's a very dangerous.
But this on the running affairs.
Or no na running MPP affairs. Bawumia there's what? Samira Bawumia, or ye or ba Ghana ni ba.
This is not her first time. Okay, Simbu Ankasa. Mami de na Samira Bawumia aye no former second lady. Onya ni hwio. Akotena TV so say Samira, Madam Samira dangerous. Say Samira ye ne den. So omo start you. Omo start propaganda omo ye de good Dr. Bawumia no hu fi se papa ye liar. And sa asem no omo ka no, omo kan ye no, ma betena ha ka no several times say e kosi, say e kosi NPP ankasa. And they, even as we are talking, uko baby, do crashing now can bawulaya, and that's who. But Sami Jenfi started sa propaganda. Na Sami Jenfi na kasa ya west of Dr. Bawumia. Onye bibi a chess or liar. In fact, promises and NPP for promising you now, we deliver into then a chess na Dr. Bawumia a liar. NPP for now, NPP communicators. Who ni ma dia omo ye denyo. Uko kan wasi men kan. Omo tena ho na sa propaganda sa tag equals so liar and obi about liar so Bawumia liar. And God being so good, some of kinds of Dr. Bawumia liar no. Every Yakopo vindicating no. Because NDC for by almost a F00ls and then Dr. Bawumia there. F00ls Dr. Bawumia there. Almost Dr. Bawumia the meet biaba. Just and send be Dr. Bawumia you say Dr. Bawumia that. And then thrown some to papa so NPP for na one same way course so and this for bag power ya no man kasa so abesan papa niti and this for who said Dr. Bawumia say Ghana for agina to mo hu so onya atro so mo de e de ko ne wife so omo divert attention no e de ko Madam Samira Bawumia so woman e de na Samira Bawumia you also dangerous na ensem we beto odwa no ene NPP for a bookie mami. Na bookie no. Me yes sure say you be sisi a ye to man na 1-1 bi. Ye indra de bookie na kasa ye ka ya adwen kire no. Na NPP for Felix Apia a kasa de NPP party no so be ma reply. O kire say Madam Samira Bawumia na Dr. Bawumia. E ma mo ntena ho. Na His Excellency the former president Adam Kwaku-Fuado. O tena ho na NDC for ugu nanim ase. Wan for obia anye scapegoat. Inte mama ntena ho what the mama yet say na na do na busuafo no won take action mo che kwasea ba ko bi mituma obi hwe yansa na mo ndin ada because about na ekon 2028 no ene nye ene honam ne moja na enyu ene ewu metumfo ada mo ne honhom NDC fo na ba meko ti mo yesterday ye just ma Felix Apia ede etuja
Ma yan hwe ye hu yi ye ntumi fa clerical enko santokwe ya ye kun. We are going to fail. Obiba, now because na Sister Ellen, I'm glad you are here. Start dear way, debia ya can, near the anua brobroso, near jai, near the anua brobroso, and Utiama precobia soria, now I find the panel the next simple so, not the enemy, near Kikasi and Hoso, just to destroy people. It's about time when the campaign of Samira, the campaign of Bawumia himself need to start knowing say there are certain things you need to take action. Certain people need to be used as an example. Haja Samira, if you are listening to me, mommy, fire. And yet now you have to be the bigger person. Forget being the bigger person when you are being killed. Being the bigger person that is soiling you, that is destroying you, that is not being the bigger person. because you be the bigger person, and the lies they told about you and the nasty things they said about you is going to stick in somebody's brain. Muwe busiem. Se Hajia Samira name to me, se Nukulu name to me. You people have family. Don't be a Ness Nanado family. Don't be Dankwa family. Sa family no. Oforiata family no. Don't be that family. That family can't fight. They don't fight. And that is why, regardless of the work His Excellency Nanado Beye, we still want to paint him say he's the worst president we have ever had because Yaka Samutun Eswa, Yenko Yano, Yenchi Obia Son Fahon. Your Excellency, Alaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, if your family members are listening, don't be a Nanado family. That is a family that does not fight. You can say all you want to say about them, and they will still be in their suit and tie and sit in one side. That is what works for them. Because in question, someone you can find Nanado. And Yamabonia, you did Nanado. Sanki, you to me chamber, Kukra, Kwasiabi, the Nijina court to China. So, you to me Chiabu, the Nijina magistrate court to crime and you could them 1 week. And can you say, Nanado, a ding, your person, your titan, the son of crave free, we are say. Then do soon and papa, do soon Jimmy and Nina. And until say, we will be a will come dock or the bonnet to say the obey we see, Maria we see, or buy ye what then from and quadan grade. Was it say or you see you into on 40 men, and he said 40-year-old men view of a young boys. Nimo jajene, ne chargene, Yansa and saying in trim. And odi kote phone into what now one and fifleting the cacrana bed mus on go canquas as some cake. Kote boni di no the other banano. De bia muko school, a mama menemo papa no tremo. Usiswa faba fabe mapa. Ye to no phono. No, see, oh, yayano, oh, girl, the girl on the block, It's or the girl on the block, sang Pasiaka sa when to me and yes, serious and you could papa be antina one mobra. It is idea, and then you who say or better than Muna, oh, yeah, papa, you go to any influence in the soul. Aye. Nanka, we your bar was support to a bar. Nanka impo, per their own stupid mentality. Now show me if Samira is controlling MPP, so what? Is she not a woman? Shouldn't that even make you proud? Say, such a great party like MPP is now being controlled by a woman. If indeed women are supposed to support women. Kwasia way, or Bafun way, or Bayana Asama Kotu or baby, no, I got to tell Rob the Ashen and Yase, Ebby Mimi and as I said, before no be woo. The women, and women abuse. But you are here busily abusing your fellow woman. Missy we no me Janet the Nama man, a man who should deal with her when it comes to the Monkon cha channel. Me, I just want to talk about her mental capacity to even make such statements. Samira is dangerous. Or is dangerous because on a more near grow. On them kwasiafo onye den nante. And to be dangerous amount. Or you're dangerous because or non a woman or what Ghana where to me they are running a political campaign. Amana successful and very, very fruitful. Into definitely she's dangerous. Samira is dangerous because Sebio Samira or no bia why no area mama. They said the amumu area mama and then the musi sebi mukunum emoja ajene. And they say young girls and young boys ya beba and amoni omobeda. Omoja ajene. And then when I match the control with tea or trinity or a lesbian, not the name, or woman near supi for man on when supi man who na no uno. Nankawo, why is a brother yeast uncle ye? Oh, etin chim sachomo, etumia quidna mama the pancake abubo when him cabeka sem na yentia Samira dangerous. Now, if a woman call the second part of it, me throw the entia Mary Ewusi, CEO of Free Zone. Only munyansa na okasa te said dia sebio baba subia kanu and one baby odire mo de kan kwasi asem muntie no wa say mama. Why is Samira dangerous? Because Samira is controlling MPP. Yanko Samira is not part of MPP leadership. On kan yanko tie ni bio.
Bawumia there's what you Samira Bawumia oye oba Ghana ni ba meka che Ghana for say yenhwe Samira Bawumia yi.
Oh yes.
Won hwe kwan fa so odi ko bubu obi dan gu ye even
Yo, so meka kire o. Meka kire o say NDC for one ye party bi a ohun. Hwe se o te Ghana Mrs. Adu mi nyai kan o Ghana pa na ye wadwene say NDC a political party kura adwene bi e de besesa Ghana shebra unim nyansa. Very simple. Or say Samira ko bubu obi dan yaku mebo a. Wo a wutie wo Ghana biara mama yanka nokre. Ta edan ane esi abubu agu no. Me pa cho ehho nokre maaye. Me pa cho nokre ne baaye no. Samira di wo. Omo de ye campaign o. Ena Samira ko bubu obi dan yagu. Samira ko bubu obi dan yagu. Wo mo ba ba mu 2025. Ena sa nokre ne be ye den ebede adie. Adentia. The building in effect nankasa no has nothing to do with Hajia Samira Bawumia. Prekobi a your friend Alex Tete. Prekobi no di Canada Japan wechi. Prekobi. Eso be dina ho and obe prove da ya man a microphone. E man so on kasa on prove the kire say Samira and ama order na yakobubu obi dan no famra no wantumi improve. Tieni pa. Wase Samira na yakobubu obi dan yagu. Eno the entia Samira ye dangerous no. Kwan yon fa so di bubu obi dan gu ye. Me sa court document and I have all of it here. Kennedy Japan. Papa na oyi ne dan ba ko de ma Kennedy Japan no wo 227 houses no. Say on fanya campaign office no. Ono na opes wo use ni sika ne Kennedy Japan ana oni